In today's video, we are going to cover how to set a price alert on a stock on eToro. Start by opening eToro and going to the search bar. This is where you will find the stock you want to monitor. Type the name or ticker symbol of the stock into the search field, then look through the results that appear. If several results look similar, take a moment to select the correct stock before moving on. Once you see the stock in the search results, select it to open that stock's page. This will take you to the main screen for that asset, where you can view details related to its performance and settings. If the page takes a moment to load, wait until the stock information is fully visible. On the stock page, open the Overview tab. This section contains the area where price alerts can be created. After opening Overview, scroll down until you find the option labeled Set Price Alert. The placement can vary slightly depending on your device, so keep scrolling until that section appears. When you reach the Price Alert section, you can choose from preset percentage changes. eToro gives you options such as -10%, -5%, +5%, and +10%. These alert choices are based on percentage movement rather than a fixed share price. Select the percentage change that matches the kind of movement you want to track. If you prefer a specific target price instead of a percentage change, use the Custom option. Select Custom, then enter the exact price level you want the stock to reach before the alert is triggered. Make sure the number you enter matches the target you actually want, since this setting determines when the notification will be sent. After choosing either a percentage-based alert or a custom target price, review the alert details on screen. Check that the selected stock and the target are both correct. When everything looks right, click Set Alert or Create Alert depending on the version of the app or platform you are using. This confirms the alert and saves it to your account. The last part is making sure notifications are enabled on your device. Price alerts will not be very useful if eToro cannot send a notification when the stock reaches your target. Go to your device notification settings if needed and allow notifications for eToro. If you are already allowing notifications, you can leave this as it is and continue monitoring your alerts inside the app. Once that is done, eToro will notify you when the selected stock reaches the percentage change or custom price target you set. Your stock price alert on eToro is now set and ready to notify you when the target is reached.